Hey, what's going on, guys? It's FaZe, and in this video, as you can see by the title, I want to talk about why I quit my SMMA and I started a DMA, and how no one is talking about this. Nobody knows what a DMA is, and I'm going to explain everything in this video, guys. I want to tell you guys not to start an SMMA, but to start this instead because nobody's talking about this. All right, guys? So, first things first, if you're trying to get into online business and making money online, you've probably heard about SMMA or social media marketing agencies, right? So, this used to actually be a good business model in 2017, guys. But now it's been completely oversaturated and it's extremely hard to break into, right? I was actually just talking to a kid in my program last week. He's 17 and his brother is 19. His brother has been doing SMMA for a few months and has only made a couple $100. But my student, he actually made $2,500 in the last 2 weeks with DMA. And he only started last month. He's on track to 5K a month this month. All right, guys? So this is the power of DMA. Everyone's been raving about SMMA for years and how good of a business model it is, but to be honest, it's not even close to as powerful as DMA. Now, I'm sure that you guys are freaking out and you want to know what DMA is, so let's get right into it. So DMA stands for Direct Marketing Agency. Now, you're probably wondering, FaZe, like, what the hell are you talking about? What are you talking about? So don't worry, guys. I'm about to explain everything right now. So what DMA is instead of using social media to do your clients' marketing, which is what you're going to do with SMMA, you're reaching out directly to your clients' potential customers and setting up meetings with them for your client. And you're going to do this with email only, right? So you don't have to show your face. You don't have to cold call. You don't have to run any ads or spend any money on ads. You just send emails and you book meetings for your clients. Now, think about this for a minute really quick, guys, and really think about this. This model is 10 times better than SMMA because let me walk you through SMMA and how it works, right? So with SMMA, you have to do outreach to get the client, which is cold email, cold calling, or outreach DMs, right? Outbound DMs. And then you have to do a sales call with them and close them, right? And then you have to find someone else to outsource the work to and split your profits, right? And then you have to make sure that those people that you outsource the work to, they get good results so that you can keep getting paid. And most of the time, they don't get good results. And you're continuously trying to find new clients every single month. All right? So think about it. If someone was good at getting results with SMMA, why would they work with you? Why would they work with you and let you take 50% of the profits just for doing outreach and signing clients? Wouldn't they just do it themselves? So why not just do outreach and get paid for that? No outsourcing, no ads, just outreach. You do outreach for yourself to get the client, and then you do outreach for the client to get paid. Simple. No one's talking about this, so keep this quiet. I don't know how long this is going to be quiet, but go out there and try this. All right? So this is how DMA works. Number one, you have to do outreach to get the client, and you use cold email to do this. And then number two, you do a sales call to close the client. And then number three, you do outreach to get them clients with email. It's 10 times easier. All you're going to be doing is generating leads and sales appointments for your clients. And other names for this are lead generation agency, business development agency, sales development agency. These are all the same things, okay? DMA, lead gen agency, same thing. Now, let's talk about how you could actually do this and get your first client, all right? So step one is, and I actually want you guys to do this before I get into this, actually do this because you could actually start making 2, 3, 4, 5K in the next two months, even the next couple weeks if you go out and implement this, guys. All right. So number one, you're going to go to LinkedIn and you're going to type in sales development representative in the search bar for jobs. All right. For jobs, you're going to look for companies who are hiring for sales development representatives. All right. Number two, you're going to see a bunch of companies that are hiring for SDRs. These are all companies who are hiring for people to do lead generation for them and to set up appointments for them with email. All right. So after you find those companies, you're going to use a tool like Apollo.io to find the email addresses of these companies. And here's what Apollo looks like. This is Apollo, guys. This is Apollo right here. You're going to use this. I think it's like $50 or $100 a month or something like that. You're going to use this, and I'm pretty sure you get like a 7-day free trial. So you can get paid without even spending any money. You're going to use this to find those companies' email addresses, all right? So after you have a list of about 50 to 100 emails, you're going to plug that list into an email sending tool called smartly.ai. All right, I'm going to show you that in 1 second. But what this tool does is it automatically sends emails for you to hundreds or thousands of people without you having to manually send them. All right, let me show you what that looks like. This is smartly.ai right here, guys. Convert cold emails to consistent revenue. So you get unlimited mailboxes, warm-ups, all that sort of stuff. You don't really need to know what that stuff is. Just know that it automatically sends emails for you without you having to manually send them. All right? And I'm also going to give you the script. I'm giving you the script right now. This is the exact email that you're going to write to these people. You're going to say, hey, first name. So for example, let's say the person's name is John. Hey, John, I saw you were hiring for SDRs, so I thought I'd reach out. I'm helping businesses like yours book 5 to 10 qualified sales calls every month on a pay per call basis, meaning I only get paid for each call I book if they're qualified and show up to the meeting. Would this be worth exploring further? All right. Now, if you send this to 100 people, 5 to 10 people will respond with interest. All right. And then number 7, you're going to set up a Zoom call with them, a sales call, and you're going to say that you're going to charge them $300 for every call that you book for them. All right. So you're not going to charge them unless you get calls booked. All right. And then at least one of those people is going to say yes, because that is a good deal for them. They don't have to pay unless they get the opportunity to close more revenue and to close more deals. So that's a no-brainer for them. All right. And then you're going to start sending emails for them so that you can get paid. All right. And then number 10, you book 10 calls a month for a client and you get paid $3,000 a month per client, guys. All right. Super simple, super easy. Now, if you want to learn in depth exactly how this whole model works, how to get results for your clients, and how I scaled my DMA to $23,000 a month, check out the video in the description for the step-by-step breakdown on exactly how I did it, how you can do it, and how I'm helping other people do it as well. It's a 45-minute long video. It goes over everything. So I'll see you in that video, guys.